Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Mailer with an easy method. First, access your Gemini Mailer dashboard and log in securely using your credentials. Once inside, navigate directly to the Campaigns section, typically found on the left-hand side menu. Here, you will initiate a brand new mailing campaign. Next, choose an appropriate email template from the wide variety of pre-designed options to suit your message and audience. This initial setup takes only a few moments. Now, let's craft your message. Customize your selected template by adding your unique content, images, and company branding. Ensure your message is clear and engaging for your audience. Next, upload your recipient list. Most systems accept CSV files, making it simple. You can upload up to 10,000 contacts at once. Consider segmenting your audience into smaller groups for more personalized and impactful communication, which can significantly boost engagement rates. Before sending, a thorough review is crucial. Carefully check your email content for any typos or broken links, and confirm your recipient list is correct. It is always a good practice to send a test email to yourself or a colleague. This ensures everything looks perfect across different email clients. Finally, you have the option to send your campaign immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time, perhaps for optimal open rates, like Tuesday mornings at 10 o'clock. After your campaign is sent, it's time to monitor its performance. Head over to the Analytics dashboard within Gemini Mailer to see how your email performed. You can track important metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and even bounce rates. These insights are invaluable. For example, a good open rate is often above 20%. Use this data to understand what resonates with your audience and refine your future email marketing strategies for even greater success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.